What is up, everybody? Okay, so now we can actually see the bird. You look right there. Can you see it? I think I'm crazy, but do you see, like, it's right there. See it? Yeah, that one. That thing that's moving. Next to the white cow, like, look. Okay, that's a car moving. Yeah, I can see it quite clearly. They're gonna go after me, but who cares? That's it. That's what they're protecting? Seriously, that's ugly. I can see it really well, but you can't really see it on camera. That thing, can you see it? Can you guys see that thing? Hopefully you can. It's like behind the gate, in front of the gates. I'm not gonna go anywhere near it because I will get eaten by the things that are up there. Yeah, that's just a black sky, but the seagulls will eat me. Ooh, unforgettable. Need to get you alone. They'll go like this and eat me. You see that one? That one was gonna swoop on me. I guess because I'm recording, it won't. Ooh. Unforgettable. There it is, there it is, there it is. There. That is the thing that's trying to capture me. And that is the thing it's trying to capture me for. I don't think I'm anywhere near that. That's how far away it is. You can still see it slightly, but it's better like that. Ooh, unforgettable. Need to get you alone. So there's a seagull. That's a baby seagull. So you can't see it that good. Okay, it just swooped past its head. There we go. Okay. Bye, guys. Love you.